Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming exactly what's protected and why. Open the Review tab and check whether the workbook or a single sheet is locked. This changes the approach. Once done, note your Excel version because Office 365 and older builds place commands slightly differently. If you already have the password, choose Unprotect Sheet and proceed. If not, prepare to use the documented workbook export or a VBA routine. Make sure you save a copy first to avoid accidental data loss. Now perform the core steps. If you know the password, Unprotect Sheet is immediate, enter it and verify cells unlock. If not, enable the Developer tab, open Visual Basic, insert a module and paste a short, widely used routine that iterates protection properties to remove sheet protection. This works for non-encrypted protection. Once the routine runs, test edits and formulas. Alternatively, export the sheet to a new workbook to preserve data while rebuilding protection settings. Finish by validating everything. Check formulas, conditional formats, and data validation after unlocking. Once satisfied, reapply protection with a strong, documented password and note who needs edit permissions. Save as a new version and keep a backup copy. If something goes wrong, first confirm the sheet isn't part of a shared or protected workbook structure. Those require unprotecting the workbook structure separately. If VBA failed, try exporting data to a fresh workbook and rebuild protection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.